Alright, my YouTube friends, so you're probably wondering why I've got two big racks here when I only need one, and what happened to my swing away. Well, if you guys tuned into my last video, I'm going to set you down here. My rear swing away that I had was great, but I wanted something a little bit bigger. I'm also looking for something that I can put a truck, like a truck toolbox on, which would be cool. This just clears a couple of the truck toolboxes that I was looking at. So, this one right here, I bought off the internet, shipped to my doorstep for like 55 bucks. And I figured that was a killer deal. It's 60 inches wide by 19 or 20 inches deep. It's actually about 19. I took a tape measure to it. This one, the guy sent me two on accident. I have no idea why. But this one right here is a fold-up, which I'll probably keep this one just because it gives me a little bit more room behind the rear of my bumper of my Sienna. Now I want to still be able to clear when the Sienna puts its hatch up. I still want to be able to clear the toolbox that's on it. So I'm going to try to keep the height around the same size as my last box. So the last box that I had was I think about 14 or 15 inches wide, and it was 15 inches tall by 49 inches wide. This new box that I'm looking at, this new truck box, now it has the wings on top that are made to support it in a truck bed, but what's nice is it's about 59 inches long by 17 inches wide, which is nice, so it'll store perfectly on this. And I'm hoping it'll still miss my rear hatch. This one also has a longer, one of these shafts here, my receiver is a little bit longer on this one than on that one, so I'm going to be running this so I can have a little bit more room to clear that rear hitch. The rear hatch when I put it up. And that's one thing I love about these Siennas that's kind of difficult when it comes to other vans or RVs, is that the rear hatch on a Sienna opens up. You know, the other ones are what they call barn door style. I used to have a enclosed trailer, and that's why I say that. But the barn doors basically open up two doors like this. So if you have a Sprinter, some of these bigger like conversion vans have that. So that's just a note about that. But the Sienna, again, another reason why the Sienna is an awesome vehicle is because the rear hatch kind of opens up like that. And that's my long-term, whenever it stops getting so cold out, that's what I want to do for the back. I wanted to have just a little bit more room in the back on that. And plus, the girl that I sold it to, she was absolutely wonderful. She was happy that she got some. She could add some more room to her Prius camper, or her what do they call it? Like a Prius Lifer or something like that. It was a little Prius. It was pretty cool though. She sleeps in it and everything. I don't know how you get in there. I could never fit. But this one is currently up for sale. This one I definitely will be using here in the near future to fit on the back of my Sienna. So with that said, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to work on trying to get videos a little bit better quality. Maybe I'll shoot in 4K. I do want to get a better microphone, so if you guys have any updates for like a better video to use, I like using my cell phone just because my cell phone, it's easy to edit the video and upload it rather than shoot it on a camera. I gotta be near my computer, and then I gotta edit it on my computer, and then I gotta upload it. I've had a couple of complaints about video quality, so I'll try shooting at 4K from now on. Hopefully that helps a little bit. And I do just naturally, I shake a little bit when I move around. That's from working in a welding shop for many years, or whatever. I'm just a shaky person, so. But yeah, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned.